Listen up, Nissan owners. What I'm about to share could save your engine from catastrophic failure. There's a type of engine oil that thousands of Nissan drivers are using right now, thinking they're doing the right thing. They're not. In fact, this oil could be slowly destroying your engine from the inside out. And the worst part? Most people won't know until it's too late. I've seen VQ engines with under 100,000 miles completely ruined because of this mistake. Timing chain failures, oil starvation, sludge buildup, you name it. Today, I'm breaking down exactly which oils you need to avoid, why they're so dangerous for Nissans, and what you should be using instead. This isn't about brand loyalty or expensive marketing. This is about protecting your investment. So if you own a Nissan, any Nissan, you need to watch this entire video. Let's dive in. The oil that's destroying Nissan engines. Alright, let's cut straight to it. The oil you need to avoid? High mileage oils with seal conditioners and thick viscosity modifiers in engines that don't need them. I know what you're thinking, but my car has 150,000 miles. Isn't high mileage oil supposed to help? Not always. Here's the deal. High mileage oils are loaded with additives designed to swell seals and cushion worn parts. Sounds good, right? But in Nissan engines, especially the VQ series and newer turbocharged models, these additives can actually cause more harm than good. Why? Because Nissan engines are designed with precise tolerances. They need oil that flows quickly and consistently. When you dump in thick, additive-heavy oil, it doesn't flow the way the engine expects. That means critical parts like your timing chain tensioner, variable valve timing solenoids, and even your oil pumps struggle to get the lubrication they need. And when those parts don't get oil fast enough, they wear out fast. I've seen timing chains stretch, guides crack, and tensioners fail, all because someone thought they were being smart by using high mileage oil in a perfectly healthy engine. Bottom line, unless your Nissan is actively leaking oil or burning a quart every 1,000 miles, stick with the manufacturer recommended viscosity. Don't mess with what works. The viscosity trap. Let's talk about viscosity because this is where a lot of Nissan owners get it wrong. You've probably seen those numbers on oil bottles: 5W30, 0W20, 10W40. Those numbers matter a lot. The first number is how the oil flows when it's cold. The second number is how it flows when it's hot. Your Nissan's engine was designed with a specific viscosity in mind, and straying from that can cause serious problems. Here's the mistake I see all the time. People think thicker oil equals better protection, so they see 10W40 or even 20W50 on the shelf and think, yeah, that'll protect my engine better. Wrong. Thicker oil doesn't flow as easily. And in modern Nissan engines, especially those with variable valve timing or turbochargers, you need oil that flows fast. If your oil is too thick, it can't reach critical components in time. Your VVT solenoids get starved. Your timing chain tensioner can't build pressure. Your turbo bearings, they're running dry. I've had customers come in with ruined turbos, stretched timing chains, and scored camshafts, all because they used oil that was too thick. Always, and I mean always, use the viscosity your owner's manual recommends. For most modern Nissans, that's 0W20 or 5W30. Don't go thicker unless you've got a specific reason, like extreme heat or documented oil consumption issues. And even then, only go one grade thicker, no more. The synthetic versus conventional debate. Now let's clear up another big myth: conventional oil versus synthetic. Some folks think conventional oil is good enough for their Nissan, especially if it's an older model. But here's the truth: synthetic oil is always better. Always. Why? Because synthetic oil is engineered to handle extreme temperatures, resist breakdown, and keep your engine cleaner. Conventional oil? It starts breaking down after just 3,000 to 4,000 miles. And in Nissans, especially those with direct injection or turbos, that breakdown creates sludge. Sludge is your engine's worst enemy. It clogs oil passages, gums up your VVT system, and starves your timing chain of lubrication. I've torn down engines with less than 80,000 miles that looked like they had 300,000, all because the owner used cheap conventional oil and stretched the change intervals. Synthetic oil costs a bit more up front, but it lasts longer, protects better, and keeps your engine cleaner. For the extra $20 or $30 per oil change, you're buying thousands of dollars in future protection. And here's a pro tip. If your Nissan came from the factory with synthetic oil, you should never switch to conventional. Once you go synthetic, stay synthetic. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice for Nissan owners. The universal oil scam. Here's another trap. Universal or one-size-fits-all motor oils. You've seen them at the store, bottles that claim they work in every car, every engine, every situation. They're cheap, they're convenient, and they're everywhere. Don't buy them. Here's why. Nissan engines have specific requirements. Your VQ engine needs oil with certain friction modifiers. Your CVT needs precise detergent packages. Your turbocharged engine needs oil that can handle high heat without breaking down. Universal oils are formulated to meet the bare minimum specs for as many engines as possible. That means they're not optimized for anything. They're the jack of all trades, master of none of motor oil. And in Nissans, especially high-performance models like the 370Z, GTR, or turbocharged Altimas, that good enough approach can be catastrophic. I've seen rod bearings fail, turbos seize, and timing chains stretch, all because someone used a cheap universal oil that technically met spec but didn't actually protect the engine. Stick with oils that meet or exceed Nissan specifications. Look for API certifications, ILSAC ratings, and if possible, oils that specifically mention compatibility with Nissan engines. It costs a few bucks more, but it's worth every penny. The oil change interval myth. Let's talk about oil change intervals because this is where a lot of damage happens. Your owner's manual might say you can go 7,500 or even 10,000 miles between oil changes. And technically, under perfect conditions, that might be true. But here's the reality. Most of us don't drive under perfect conditions. Perfect conditions means long highway drives at steady speeds, moderate temperatures year-round, no stop-and-go traffic, no short trips where the engine doesn't fully warm up. Sound like you're driving? Probably not. Most Nissan owners deal with city traffic, short commutes, extreme heat or cold, and lots of idling. All of that is considered severe service, and it breaks down oil faster. That's why I always recommend changing your oil every 5,000 miles, regardless of what the manual says. I've seen too many Nissans with timing chain problems, oil sludge, and premature wear because the owner followed the 10,000 mile interval thinking they were fine. Here's the thing, oil is cheap. Engines are not. Spending an extra $50 a year on an additional oil change is nothing compared to a $5,000 timing chain job or a $7,000 engine replacement. Change your oil every 5,000 miles. Use quality synthetic oil, and your Nissan will reward you with hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles. The additives you don't need. Walk into any auto parts store and you'll see shelves full of oil additives. Engine flush, oil treatment, friction modifiers, seal conditioners. All of them promise to make your engine run better, last longer, and perform like new. Here's the truth. You don't need any of them. Modern synthetic oils already contain everything your engine needs. Adding extra stuff is like putting hot sauce on a perfectly seasoned steak, unnecessary and potentially harmful. Some of these additives can actually mess with your oil's chemistry. They can clog your oil filter, gum up your VVT solenoids, or coat your timing chain with residue that causes it to slip. I've had customers who religiously added engine treatments every oil change thinking they were helping. Instead, they ended up with sludge problems, oil pump failures, and clogged pickup screens. The only time you should consider an additive is if a qualified mechanic specifically recommends it for a diagnosed problem. And even then, be cautious. Your Nissan's engine was designed to run on oil, just oil, nothing more. Keep it simple, and your engine will be happier. What oil should you actually use? Alright, enough about what not to do. Let's talk about what you should be using. For most modern Nissans, you want viscosity, 0W-20 or 5W-30. Check your owner's manual. Type, full synthetic certification, APISP or SN+, and ILSAC GF-6. Some great options include Mobile 1, Advanced Fuel Economy, 0W-20, Castrol E, DGE 5W-30, Pennzoil Ultra, Platinum 0W-20, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W-30. Or, if you want to play it completely safe, use Nissan's OEM oil. Yes, it costs more, but it's formulated specifically for your engine. Now, here's what you do. Check your owner's manual for the recommended viscosity. Don't guess. Buy a quality full synthetic oil that meets the specs. Change it every 5,000 miles. No exceptions. Always replace the oil filter at the same time. Keep records of every oil change. Do this, and your Nissan's engine will stay clean, quiet, and reliable for the long haul. The CVT transmission oil warning. Before we wrap up, I need to give you one more warning, and this one's about your CVT transmission. If you own a Nissan with a CVT, listen up. Never ever use anything other than Nissan NS2 or NS3 CVT fluid. I don't care what the bottle says. I don't care if it claims to be compatible or universal. CVT fluid is not the same as automatic transmission fluid. The formulation is completely different, and Nissan CVTs are extremely sensitive to fluid type. I've seen CVTs destroyed, completely destroyed, because someone used the wrong fluid. We're talking $6,000 to $8,000 repairs because of a $50 mistake. Don't cheap out on CVT fluid. Don't substitute, don't experiment. Use Nissan NS2 or NS3. That's it. And change it every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, even though the manual says lifetime. Lifetime fluid is a myth designed to get you through the warranty period. Change it regularly with the correct fluid, and your CVT will last. The bottom line. Look, I get it. Oil is expensive, and when you're standing in the auto parts store staring at 20 different options, it's tempting to just grab the cheapest bottle and call it a day. But your Nissan's engine is a precision machine. It was designed to run on specific oil with specific properties. When you deviate from that, even with good intentions, you're gambling with your engine's life. Avoid high mileage oils unless you actually need them. Stick with the recommended viscosity, always. Use quality synthetic oil, not cheap conventional or universal stuff. Change your oil every 5,000 miles, no matter what the manual says. Skip the additives, they don't help. And for CVTs, only use Nissan NS2 or NS3 fluid. No exceptions. Do this, and your Nissan will run strong for 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles. Cut corners, and you'll be shopping for a new engine before you hit 150,000. The choice is yours. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.